Hi everyone! We are going to read a book by Eric Carle, 1, 2, 3 to the Zoo. As you can see, this will be a counting book. Are you able to count well? Let's see! We are going to ride a choo-choo train to see all the animals. As we look at the animals, we are going to count them one by one. Are you ready? Let's go! First, there is an elephant. One elephant. Next, there are 2 hippopotamus. 2 giraffes. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 giraffes. Lions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 lions. What comes after 4? I bet you know. 1 sleeping bear. 2 bears. And now the second bear is disturbing the first bear. Eyes open. 3 bears. 4 bears. And the 5th bear. So we have 5 bears. Next, we have crocodile. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 6. 6 scary crocodile. 6. Next, seals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Looks like the seal are saying hi to you. 7. Oh, it's monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget the baby monkey. There are 8 monkeys. What sound is that? Can you guess? It is snake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope you are able to count to 9. This is 9. What sound is that? It's bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done! There are 10 birds. Do you remember that we are in a zoo? And all the animals that we have counted are all here. You can see elephants, hippo, giraffes, seals, monkey, lions, bears, crocodiles, snakes, birds. Did I miss out any? Oh, the balloons. That's right. Look at all the numbers here. They're so colorful. Are you able to recognize that? Mama loves you every day, Monica. I love you. The end.